Hey guys, so I'm going to be doing a update video for the garden area because I ended up not recording it yesterday for personal reasons. So we are going to go out there. I'm going to get all the lights set up because it is dark right now, and I will show you guys what I did yesterday with the plants I got. So stay tuned. Okay, so I got all the plants yesterday. Let me get down here, you can see. So there's where I put the rosemary. It's kind of next to the light right here. It's doing pretty well so far, it looks like. I reused the old pots to put the kale that seems to just be dying, like it did the last time when I had claimed it wasn't growing or working or anything like that. So I think this is true to that still. I was hoping that maybe there was just one in there that would survive. But I put the peas that were inside as well, if you can see those a little bit, right there, hoping that they would do okay being in the pot. So that way, because I don't think I have any more room down here. So anybody who missed the other video, this is kind of what I had got going on right now. Got like cucumbers and peas, and we've got cantaloupe, which these were kind of just to see if they were viable, and I didn't realize that it was like 100% viability basically. There might be, let's see, there's 2, 5, 6, 7, yeah, I think there might be 1 seed or 2 seeds maybe that did not grow. I did put a handful. What are you? You were dead. What are you? I think you're a weed. I did put a handful of other various things. Like I've got some tomatoes right there. They're really tiny. And then I've got like a mystery one back here. I don't know what it is yet. And then I've got another one that looks like a tomato over here. And then over here, right here is either the snowball cauliflower or it is the Copenhagen cabbage. I'm not sure which one it is because there should have been like 2, maybe 3 of them over here. And I don't think 2 of them grew. So I'm gonna have to figure out when that gets bigger what you are, kind of thing. Somewhere amongst all of the things that look like grass, I don't know if you guys can see that on here. Little tiny strings of green. They are supposed to be scallions or Libsyn, something like that. Onions. Like just the little skinny ones. I don't know if you can hear that. My dogs are complaining they're hungry. Alright. Here is butternut, or butter crunch, my bad. Butter crunch lettuce. This one should be the non-organic. That one over there should be the organic one. There should have been another one in here somewhere, but again, I don't think it grew. And then over here is the black seed Simpson one. And it looks like only 2 survived out of all of them that I planted, which, I mean, that's not great, but it's not horrible considering I did not plant the entire pack. I only planted a few. There should not be anything right here, but of course there's always little random things over here. So I'm kind of letting everything just grow until I can figure out what it is, because they all kind of look the same. Here should be the Avon Spinach. It looks like the only thing that has grown in a perfectly straight line other than the lettuce, telling me what it is. Over here should be the Bloomstill spinach. What did I say? Onions for that? It's supposed to be spinach. I don't know 100% if it is growing or not. There is one that kind of looks like the stuff over here, but it also looks like grass, so I have no idea. I did finally plant my tomato plant into the ground, and surprisingly enough, to my very big surprise, there's actually earthworms there that we did not intentionally put in the ground. They just randomly decided to go, hi, yeah, we still exist, we're still here, it's not just a desert, there's other things here. All of my pinto beans have flowers now. Cute and adorable little white ones. Some of them are kind of open, some of them aren't. I have this very tangled mess. Very wildly messed right here. because I don't have big enough things for trellises and I don't have long enough string necessarily. I was just using ribbon for these little tiny poles that my husband cut up for the old sprinkler that used to be here that was never used. So I just tucked them in there, hoping that maybe that they would just kind of do their own thing and just be happy. So yeah, we're gonna get a lot, if you can see. Get off my bug. But yeah, there's a lot of little white flowers hidden amongst in here. So I'm hoping for lots of little pinto beans. So here are the peppers, all of them. I don't know if you can see it very well. It is a little dark over here, just because, you know, they're blocking all the light. But here is the poblano. Yeah, the ancho poblano. That's what this one is. Over there is the very hard to say ghost pepper. It's a type of ghost pepper anyways. It's supposed to be the, I don't know if the B is silent, but it's B-H-U-T. So, Bahut. And then it's Jolica or something like that. I'll have to put like a photo or something. Or you can actually look at my other video. It should show it on there. And then these are all the jalapenos. Some of them have lots of flowers, some of them don't. Looks like one of them went rogue on me over there and decided to yeet its flower off. But these are just standard jalapenos. They seem to be doing good. Here is my happy, not so happy avocado. I did take it out of its original pot that I had it in. Excuse me, tree, you're invading my space. I did notice it had root rot, so I guess it got stood in some water a little too long, or I watered it too often. So I tried putting some sand in with there, just kind of hoping that that would help drain out some of the water away from the roots immediately. And it seems to be okay. It also is not used to being outside. Oh, it's just shadow. So I'm not sure with that one. I did water a teeny bit today, not a whole heck of a lot. The tree that's invading my space. It's wild, it's bushy, kind of like it. Some of the other green thing over here. But yeah, so that's basically what I did yesterday and everything like that. So hopefully I can have more updates and I can get some with daytime instead of just being at night, but it is a little easier for my schedule to do things at night. So awesomely, and got this lovely light over here and everything. So if you guys could like, comment, subscribe, that'd be very appreciative to me. And comments and everything like that are always welcome. If you guys have any like tips or tricks of how to do any of these things, those are welcomed as well. I do watch quite a bit of channels for gardening and stuff like that, and a lot of them are local to me, some of them aren't. So I kind of just take little bits of what they do and go with it and whatnot. So alright guys, it's been fun hanging out, but I will see you all next time. Bye.